Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm going to fix some chicken and rice in the crock pot. I have got 2 chicken quarters, skinless chicken quarters, washed, laying over here on this side for me. I have a can of cream of celery soup and a can of cream of chicken soup. And all you need is, I'm going to put 2 cups of rice, just long grain rice, in the crock pot with a cup of water. Stir it up and let it cook for the day, or a couple of hours, about 3 hours. And then we're just going to have chicken and rice for dinner. So we will get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix my cream of chicken, cream of celery, and a cup of water. I'm going to pour half of the water in that can. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I appreciate y'all watching my channel. Join my channel, subscribe, offer me comments, ask me to cook something other that you think you would enjoy. I'm just going to take a whisk of that just so we'll be stirred up real good. I have my crock pot ready. As you know, I always put it on some towel to keep my counter from getting so hot. Put my rice in there. 2 cups of rice. Well, part of this mixture, it doesn't have to be rice. I mean, it doesn't have to be half. And stir it in my rice. Then I'm going to take my 2 pieces of chicken, which I have took the skin off of the chicken, and just lay it in there on top of the rice. Then I'm going to take the rest of the cream of chicken and cream of celery and just make sure my chicken is covered. And we're going to put a little pepper. I'm not going to put any salt. Tom never cooked with salt. I very seldom cook with salt. So we've got a little pepper in there. And that really is all you've got to do. Turn your crock pot on high. Put the lid on it. And let it cook for a couple of hours. And then when the rice gets done and the chicken you can tear apart, you'll have it all done. Have some string beans to go with it, and now you have got dinner ready. So I'll be back in just a little bit. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. It's 2 chicken quarters, a can of cream of chicken soup, and a can of cream of celery soup. Now you can put cream of mushroom, but I didn't this time. I just put the cream of chicken and the cream of celery in it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, this has been cooking about 2.5 hours. Let's just see if it's anyways near done, what it is like. So let's just check it out. Ooh, smells good. I think the rice is definitely done. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this chicken right here just to see if it's done now. Yes, it is. I do believe it is done. So what I'm going to do now, and I didn't say this to start off with, but I'm going to put some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese on top of this. You can use any kind of cheese that you prefer. I just happen to like the cheese, and we're just going to sprinkle some cheese on here. And I'm going to put the lid back on it for just a few minutes and let the cheese melt just a little bit, and then we'll come back and we're going to have us some chicken, rice with cheese for dinner. Okay, it did not take maybe 2 minutes for that cheese to melt. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put some on a plate. And this is what it looks like. Really looks good to me. And let's just see what we have. It is definitely done. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on this. I'm surprised it cooked as quick as it did. Okay, and this is 2 chicken quarters, 2 cups of rice, a can of cream of chicken, a can of cream of celery, and 1 cup of water mixed in together and poured on top of the chicken, well, poured on top of the rice and the chicken. And I've cooked it for 2.5 to 3 hours, and I put some cheese on top of it, and this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I do hope you can see that good. It really real good, and the chicken is really tender. It just falls off the bone. Thank you for joining my channel, watching my channel. Thank you for the comments, and I will see you again next time. So try this chicken and rice with some cheese. It's an easy dinner, and you don't have to stand over it and watch it. Again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Have a good day.